Welcome to my Abacus course. Let's get started, without wasting any time. Before we begin learning Abacus, let's first understand what it is. The abacus is a calculation tool used to solve arithmetic problems like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It is an invention from China, which is now used all over the world. The abacus is used in schools for educational purposes, and in some countries, it's even used in malls. Different countries have designed their own versions of the abacus, according to their needs. Although these abacuses look different, but they all work in the same way. In this course, we will learn to use the soroban, a Japanese tool that is widely used in many countries. There is no age limit to learn the abacus. However, it is considered best to learn it between the ages of 5 and 14, because this is when the brain develops the most. Benefits of learning abacus. Brain development. The abacus is a developmental activity that helps children with brain development. Improves mathematical competence. Since the abacus learning process is related to math, children's math skills improve significantly. It also reduces their fear of math. Better creative and imaginative skill. To a great extent, it enhances children's creativity and imagination skills. They learn by understanding and imagining, rather than rote learning. Improve reading and listening skill. Children's reading and listening skills also improve. More self-confidence and concentration. When kids become skilled at using the abacus, their self-confidence increases. They also learn to concentrate better. Strong memory. With a strong memory, children can remember things for a long time. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. If you want to purchase the notes and the course completion certificate, check the description.